I would appreciate if they were fighting with flour socks so that Mraz had all of those old wounds come back from Halloween's past with Heller smashing him over the big Buddha belly with a flour sock, a big gym sock that's just filled with flour. That'd be number 2. And then that's the sound that comes out when his belly's getting hit by a sock worth of flour. You can imagine the 14-year-old standing over Mraz in the street, pounding him with a flour sock. And what comes out? It's Mraz. Mraz trying to breathe with a Charleston chew halfway down his pipe.
Are we on to number 1 yet?
And then finally, number 1 on that list is 2 mules fighting over a turnip in a field, because I feel like those mules could get real intense, real angry.